Hey y'all, so it has been about a day since I tried my wash and go. And here we are. So I never really fully completed this style. I put my bonnet on and I went to sleep. Actually like 2 days, because yesterday I just was like, I gotta do something. I just sectioned my hair, I wetted it a little bit, detangled it, and that was that. So that's what you have now. The products that I used were CurlMix, and I can say I used the cream fragrance. I don't know if that's the name of this one, because you could get different colors. So this is like the lime green bottles. So I will use the shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo was aloe vera and the conditioner was grapeseed. So they're fine. I don't have an issue with those. And I might be able to use the gel by itself or use the moisturizer by itself, but together they just didn't work. I didn't get a lot of flakes, but I did have some flakes, and it was like the more I dried my hair, because you had to dry your hair for the wash and go, I felt like my hair was getting dry. Although when I felt it, it was soft. So like it just felt like my hair was like losing its moisture a little bit. So I just stopped that process. So now I'm gonna go in with my regular TwistOut. So I'm gonna do twist all over, so just follow along, and I'm gonna give you some tips on trying to correct those flakes that you may receive from some product. One, we're getting right to it. One, you can probably go and not wash it, but try like some co-wash and just rinse it out. You don't have to let it sit or anything, but I would recommend trying to do a co-wash instead of like another shampoo, or just put conditioner in your hair and try over. And I have it sectioned into 4. This one just unraveled, but it feels really good. It's really moisturized, and I don't know if you guys can see it like from my shirt or anything, but yeah, it's Lake City. So with the flakes, only thing I'm gonna do is go in and apply oil. I have the Mielle Organics. You guys probably can't see it. Here you go. Okay, here you are. So this is their mint almond oil. I'm gonna try that, and then I'm just gonna use water. I'm not gonna use a lot of products, but the oil will kind of stop that flake that you have going on. And I'm gonna use about a dime size. Okay, so from here on out, I'll be speeding up the video quite a bit, but just to give you guys a step-by-step, I did section my hair into 4 sections, and each section I applied oil first, and then once I did the parts for the twist, I did apply more oil because I felt like it just needed it. And it's important to add the oil first so it gets all into the strands, and then you add the water, because with the basic thing we learned in science is that oil and water does not mix. So you want to make sure that that's coating your hair first, and then the water is just there to help you bring those curls back and to help you maneuver through your hair easily. After that, I just pretty much did a simple 2-strand twist. It was really nothing to it. I didn't even really part as well as I could have. I'm going to move up right here and show you guys the flakes. It's not super horrible, but from this angle my hair looks dry, and you can see the flakes just falling out like it's Christmas, and it's not. So you want to go ahead and get that out of here and apply as much oil as you can to really get in and dissolve that original product. Also, I want to let you guys know, if you have a fail or if you're moving on to any other product or any other style, make sure you wash your brush, your comb, and anything else you're going to be using, because you don't want the residue from that previous style to interfere with your new style. So that's really all the tips I had. I'm still getting up all of those flakes, but it's going to be all right, because you guys will see in the end how much shine I gained, and you won't see any flakes at all. So all right, so this is the style that I am going with. I will not be taking this out until it's time for me to wash my hair or do a co-wash, which is probably what I'll be doing next. I would definitely suggest this two-step process: just water and oil. That was it. It saved my hairstyle. So while I am not in love with the products that I originally used to do my wash and go, I would suggest, if you have any type of issues with product, if they made your hair dry, if they caused flakes, if they just weren't what you were expecting, go in with your handy dandy water bottle and with your oil of choice and test these out and see how it works. And trust and believe that this will be a bomb twist out if you choose to take your hair out. So don't don't fear. Don't fear. Just go in and try to manipulate your hair as little as possible with these tips and tricks. Okay, so I am giving you guys my final thoughts in the video, but I wanted to do a voiceover because I was just looking at the labeling of the CurlMix, and it does suggest for the best result of their wash and go, you're in the shower. And as you guys saw, I was not in the shower. I was sitting down enjoying my time. So what I will do, I will test this product out again, and I'll take you guys along for that ride. And if there is not any difficulties or flakiness, I will go ahead and suggest the product to you guys. But as of now, like I said, you might want to go ahead and try the products out individually. Or if you had any difficulty like I had with them, definitely go in with your water and oil. If you like this video and if it was very helpful and informational, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much for watching. So, peace. I'm gonna do it in a video. Hold on. I'm gonna do it. There I go. Bye.